Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer Conga 05847. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer Conga 05847 barely lasts 10 minutes, you're not alone. This is a common issue caused by battery wear and tear over time, which can result in your device being nearly unusable. If left unrepaired, the problem can worsen, leading to potential damage to other components or even complete failure of your device. To fix this, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a new battery compatible with the Acer Conga 05847. First, let's start by safely opening your device. Ensure it's powered off and unplugged. Using the plastic opening tool, gently insert it into the seam along the edge of the device, carefully prying it open. Be cautious not to force it, as this might damage the casing. Once opened, locate the battery, which is typically secured by a few screws. You will need to remove the screws using the Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the battery cable using your tweezers. Take your time to avoid damaging any nearby components. Now, carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment. Place the new battery in the same position, reconnect the battery cable, and ensure it's seated firmly. Replace the screws to secure the new battery in place. Finally, reassemble the device by aligning the edges and pressing them together until you hear a click, indicating it's closed properly. Power on your Acer Conga 05847 to check if the new battery is functioning correctly. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider calibrating your battery regularly by fully charging and then fully discharging it every few months. Additionally, avoid leaving your device plugged in for extended periods once it's fully charged, as this can reduce battery lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.